How to change language in Notebook LM. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. Let's begin. Want to change the language in Notebook LM? Here's a quick and easy step-by-step guide. Let's go. Go to the login and then log in your account and go to the Google account settings, visit myaccount.google.com and sign in. Find the language preferences, click data and personalization and the language. Change the language, click edit and select your preferred language and save it. I preferred English and Philippines. And then open the Notebook LM, refresh the page, and it should now be in your chosen language. And that's it. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.